How to Shareplay on Disney Plus Easy Guide. Watching shows alone is fine, but watching together from different places is better. If you've never used Shareplay on Disney Plus, you're missing out, and it's easier than you think. First, make sure everyone has an active Disney Plus subscription. Shareplay only works if each participant has their own account. Most people get this wrong and wonder why it won't start. Next, make sure everyone is using an Apple device with FaceTime. Shareplay works on iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. Start a FaceTime call with the people you want to watch with. Once the call is active, open the Disney Plus app and select a movie or show. Tap play. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to start Shareplay. Confirm it. Now the magic happens. The video syncs automatically for everyone in the call. If one person pauses, it pauses for all. You won't believe how smooth the synchronization feels. Audio plays through each person's device, while FaceTime audio stays clear in the background. Everyone can react, talk, and enjoy the moment together. Here's the surprising truth. Shareplay works across different countries, as long as the content is available in each region. If Shareplay doesn't start, make sure Shareplay is enabled in your FaceTime settings and that all devices are updated. Now you know how to Shareplay on Disney Plus the easy way. If you enjoy watching together from anywhere, subscribe for more smart streaming tips.